Hey guys, I'm Shadab from KarsiGeek. This is a quick video on what is Shebang. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what is Shebang? If you have just started programming, or you may have heard this word Shebang, or you might have even used it but don't know what is Shebang. So Shebang is written on the very first line of any program or script. Let me quickly write an example for you. It's always start with hash and exclamation mark user/bin/env python. This is called Shebang. But what is this used for? Now let's open a terminal over here. So here we have our script named macchanger.py. First let's grant permission to execute this script by typing chmod +x followed by the file name macchanger.py. Now we have the permission to execute this. We can execute this script with /macchanger.py and hit enter. The script got executed successfully and prints the hello world. Now if we delete the very first line, which is Shebang, and try to execute this script, this time it throws an error because the system has executed this Python script with shell. Now if we don't write the Shebang at the very first line, you can still execute this file by typing python macchanger.py. Basically, if we add the Shebang, it tells the system that this is a Python script, so execute this with a Python interpreter. This same thing happens for other programming languages, like for Perl, we will write hash !user/bin/env/Perl. That's it. If you learned something new, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red shiny subscribe button and bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. And I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay weird, stay original.